Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome out to Jay's Learning School. As always, I'm excited about today's episode. Today we're going to learn English and our topic is the bathroom. We're going to learn different vocabulary words that have to do with the restroom. And of course, the restroom and the bathroom are used interchangeably in this country. So let's get right into it. Let's do some learning. Let's get into today's lesson. So our first word is toilet paper. Toilet paper. And I don't have to just tell you what toilet paper is used for. But toilet paper is used to clean yourself when you're in the restroom. Toilet paper. Toilet. Toilet. This is where you go to use the bathroom to relieve yourself. The toilet. Towel. Towel. Used to dry your hands, your face, your body. Towel. Okay. Tub. Some call it a tub or just a bathtub. Unlike a shower, a tub is where you lay down and sit down and relax. I haven't sat in a tub in years, but this is a tub or a bathtub. Shower, where you stand and bathe yourself. Shower. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Okay. Our next word, toothpaste. Toothpaste. This is the cleaner that you place on the toothbrush to clean your teeth, clean your tongue, clean your gums. Toothpaste. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. This is where you place your dirty clothes and you let them accumulate before or pile up before you go and clean them. Laundry basket. Some people call it a dirty clothes basket. Laundry basket. Shaving razor. Okay? Shaving razor or just a razor. Typically, a razor is found in the restroom when it's time to shave your hair, your head, underarms, other areas, your legs, or what have you. Usually just called a razor, but this is a shaving razor. This is a razor, often called a straight razor. Razor. Q-tip. Q-tip. Q-tips are often used to clean the ear, specifically the inner ear or the outer ear. Some people use them to place alcohol on, to place on different places on their skin where there may be a scratch or a cut. Some people use them for makeup purposes. Q-tip. Cotton balls. Cotton balls. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. When you have bad breath, you need to use some mouthwash. Scale. Scale. When you want to see how much you weigh, you use a scale. If you're in a hotel bathroom and you need to see how much your luggage weighs, you would use a scale. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. Or just simply a brush. Okay? Hairbrush or brush. Nail clipper. Nail clipper. The small one is usually used for fingernails, and the larger one is often used for toenails. But if you only have one of either, you can use them for your toes or your fingers. Usually called a clipper or just simply a nail clipper. Tweezers. Tweezers. Used to get small objects out of your skin or other places of your body. Splinters. If you get a splinter in your finger, you would use tweezers. Some people use tweezers to bust pimples or hair bumps or pull hair out of their skin or unwanted hair. Tweezers. Soap. Soap. Some people would say a bar of soap. A bar of soap. Mirror. Mirror. Dryer. Dryer. Used to get the moisture out of your hair. Or you can use a dryer for other type of things in the house, but specifically in the bathroom, used to dry your hair. Okay. Dirty clothes. Dirty clothes. And our last word for today's lesson for English vocabulary words with the topic bathroom is bath mat. Bath mat. Of course, you would use this to keep your feet warm when you get out the shower, keep yourself from slipping when you're standing in front of the mirror. Bath mat. Well, today's lesson was very quick, but we learned English vocabulary words having to do with the bathroom. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching Jay's Learning School, and I hope you join me on my next video. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless you.